Want to create amazing AI videos without paying anything? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos completely free, and you don't even need a credit card. You can turn your ideas into impressive videos in just a few clicks, even if you have no video editing experience. I'll show you the exact tool, how to use it, and how to generate your first AI videos step by step. So, if you want to create AI videos for free, watch until the end, and let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you are new to my YouTube channel, then just visit my YouTube channel homepage, and here you can see I already created many videos about how to create AI videos without credit card or without anything. So just visit my YouTube channel. Here you can see this is a video about how to create AI videos. Then just scroll down. These are the 4 videos: how to access Dance 2.5 completely free, then create free unlimited videos. So I'll give few video link in this video description and in I button also. Now let's start the video. Here you can see for the demo purpose I created 1 videos, and the tool is same as Grok AI, and this is the generation. You can also adjust this, and here is download button. Now let's go to ChatGPT to generate a video generation prompt. Now I'll give this website link in this video description and in a comment box also. Here you can see the website URL. Simply visit the website and click on this reject all optional cookies or accept all optional cookies. After that, click on the sign in button. Now you can continue with Google, GitHub or WeChat. I'll choose this Google. Click on this agree and continue. Choose one Gmail account. If you had logged in multiple Gmail account, then click on this continue button. And here you can see credit 0. So just refresh the page. And here you can see credit 1000 without credit card or without anything. You can also connect with your GitHub, Notion, Linear, Recent, Bravo. But this video is about how to create videos, so simply click on these videos. Now let's go to ChatGPT to copy a video generation prompt. Copy your prompts, then simply paste here. You can also refine your prompt. Just click on this. Here you can see polish prompt. Let's try polish prompt. Now here you can see our prompt is polished. Then click on the send button. And here you can see a notification project created successfully. Now here you can see confirm video generation, model, aspect ratio, resolution, duration and audio off and quantity 1. Simply click on this confirm button.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost to the cages.
And here you can see our video is created. Now you can also play this video. Here you can see, but I will download it, then play this video. Simply click on this download button. Let's reduce the screen size. Click on this download, and here you can see export as a GIF or download video. Click on this download video. Our video is downloaded. Now let's open this. And here you can see the quality of videos. So by this way you can create unlimited AI videos completely free without credit card or without anything. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide and make sure visit techpolyster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.